when I was giving my paper. The SS boxes was reminding, and all the things are just in front of my eyes. I was coming with a hopeless heart, and just he filled with the joy. Truly, he is an inspiring man and motivated, keeping us motivated all the time. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Asif Ahmed. Currently, I'm working as a research physician in ICD DRB, and Alhamdulillah, I have passed and completed my MRCP by passing the MRCP paces in second diet from Thiruvananthapuram, India. And Alhamdulillah, all praises goes to Almighty Allah. And I'm really thankful to the SsAcademy and especially Sumant sir for the support and the guidance. He has given me all the journey. I have started my MRCP journey back in 2018, and I was coming with a hopeless heart, and just he filled with the joy. I have completed my MRCP Part 1 and also attended all the courses conducted by Sumant sir. I have attended the Part 1 course and the Part 2 written, and also the PACES online. And there is a hurdle. Actually, sir was not in country, so at that time I was going through a very tough time actually. And then finally he came back, and I have completed the online courses for the PACES and also the face-to-face classes for the PACES. And truly, he is an inspiring man and motivated, keeping us motivated all the time. And he gave us the courage to believe in myself so that we can complete. And I can see a lot of faces, and I can see faces there also with me during my Part 1, Part 2 courses and also the PACES courses. And I'm wishing all success to all of them. And actually, I'm a bit nervous. Actually, all the candidates are very good. And thanks to Almighty Allah, I have completed. And I'm wishing all success to all the candidates. And if I started from the beginning, when I have started from the MRCP Part 1 journey, I have seen the boxes and the SS boxes when I was giving my paper. The SS boxes was reminding, and all the things are just in front of my eyes, the boxes. And Alhamdulillah, that was well done. And the Part 2 written and PACES, I have attended the online courses and then face-to-face classes. The exam techniques sir has taught us is excellent, and the approaches which is excellent, and no one can doubt the approaches are very much good. And it will the marks on the physical examination and also on the patient welfare, I got full marks in those skills. So these are very appropriate, and so just follow Sumant sir's guidance. He is giving us continuously, and keep believing in yourself, and he just shows the path, and I am just following that pathway. And now right now I'm standing here showing my gratitude to the SsAcademy and the Sumant sir, and I'm very much thankful to you, sir. From the bottom of my heart, I'm wishing you prosperous, healthy and happy life.